Imagine waking up in a $10,000 a night suite with the ocean right outside your window and the soft breeze of Maui surrounding you. Well, this isn't just any resort, it's the real-life setting of the White Lotus. Today, we're taking you inside the stunning Four Seasons Resort Maui, where luxury meets paradise. Stick around, because you won't believe what's waiting behind these doors. Before we dive into the resort itself, let's chat a bit about the White Lotus. This hit mini-series created by Mike White captured audiences with its unique mix of humor, drama, and a deep look at society, all set against the backdrop of lavish resort life. The show, which premiered in July 2021, was filmed under strict COVID protocols right here at this very resort. Imagine a time when the world was in lockdown, and yet creativity flowed and turned a luxury hotel into a dramatic stage for all kinds of intriguing stories. The production team even had to quarantine on site, which meant that every corner of the resort, its offices, spa, restaurants, lobby, pools, and bars, was transformed into a vibrant part of the White Lotus experience. The Four Seasons Resort Maui at Wailea isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. Nestled on 15 acres of prime land in Wailea, Maui, this 5-star resort has been a favorite destination for those looking to escape to paradise since it opened in 1990. With its stunning views of the Pacific Ocean, lush gardens, and pristine beaches just steps away, it has all the ingredients for an unforgettable getaway. What really makes this resort stand out is its blend of modern luxury with the rich natural beauty of Hawaii, a mix that's captured perfectly on screen in the White Lotus. Walking into the Four Seasons, the first thing you notice is the warm welcome. As you check in, you're greeted with genuine aloha and a sense that every detail has been thoughtfully planned out. Picture stepping into an airy lobby where soft tropical music plays in the background, and every corner of the space whispers luxury. Whether you're arriving by plane at nearby Kahului Airport or by yacht at Olowalu Landing, the very spot featured in the show, the resort makes sure your journey is as memorable as your stay. Now, let's talk about the suites, because these rooms are stars in their own right. The show featured several standout suites, each with its own character and charm. The Pineapple Suite, or Lokalani Presidential Suite. This suite is nothing short of a spectacle, designed with a flamboyant style reminiscent of the iconic Madonna Inn. It also boasts the refined elegance that you'd expect from a Four Seasons property. It's huge, with over 7,200 square feet of space that includes indoor and outdoor areas. And yes, it comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of around $29,000 per night. But trust me, every penny is worth it if you want to live out your wildest luxury fantasies. The Palm Suite. Known as one of the elite oceanfront suites, the Palm Suite is where some of the show's most memorable tensions play out. In the series, you'll see moments where characters' dissatisfaction with this suite sets the stage for major drama. The suite offers stunning ocean views and is the epitome of tropical elegance. The Hibiscus Suite. If you remember Jennifer Coolidge's vibrant character, this is her retreat in the series. The Hibiscus Suite, with its eye-catching pink and red decor, is one of the oceanfront prime suites. It's designed to be bold and beautiful, matching the energy of the character perfectly. The Tradewind Suite, or Maile Presidential Suite. Last but not least, the Tradewind Suite is where the chaos unfolds for the Mosbacher family. It's the second largest suite at the resort and was a central setting for some of the most dramatic moments of Season 1. Every room here tells a story, and you can feel the history and attention to detail in every corner. A stay at the Four Seasons isn't just about the room, it's about the whole experience. Once you're checked in, you'll find that the resort offers a multitude of activities and amenities that can make your vacation feel like something out of a movie. They require a bit of booking in advance and come with an extra cost, but the experience of gliding through Maui's clear waters is truly one of a kind. If you're a fan of water sports, you can even try eco-snorkeling or an introductory scuba diving course. One guest even mentioned spotting massive sea turtles, a memory that lasts a lifetime. When it comes to dining, the resort really pulls out all the stops. Let's start with Ferraro, the oceanfront restaurant where several of the show's dining scenes were filmed. Dining under the stars with gentle sound of waves crashing in the background, you're treated to a contemporary Italian menu that makes the most of fresh Maui ingredients. Imagine starting your meal with a pasta water martini and a basket of freshly baked roasted garlic bread, topped with hand-rolled katali and a sprinkle of black truffle butter. Every bite here is a celebration of flavors. And let's not forget Spago, a restaurant that combines traditional Hawaiian ingredients with California flair, curated by the legendary chef Wolfgang Puck. With dishes like poke cones and hamachi tostadas, every plate is a work of art that complements the stunning ocean views. One of the things that really sets the Four Seasons apart is its emphasis on relaxation and wellness. The resort's spa and wellness center offers a wide range of treatments, from soothing massages and rejuvenating facials to more unique experiences like soul healing and even chart readings. One guest even treated herself to a lomi moa massage, describing it as so relaxing that she almost passed out from pure bliss. If you're looking for a little extra pampering, the resort even provides beachside treatments. Picture yourself getting a massage with the sound of the waves in the background, or enjoying a quick mini spa treatment by the pool. And while you're at it, why not take advantage of the resort's reef-friendly sunscreen? It's these thoughtful touches that show just how much the Four Seasons cares about both its guests and the environment. But here, in reality, it's all about making your vacation as enjoyable as possible. For example, the resort offers a variety of room options at different price ranges. Yes, the splurge for the ultimate suite might set you back thousands of dollars a night, but there are also more affordable rooms that still provide the signature luxury and breathtaking views you'd expect from a Four Seasons property. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just treating yourself to a well-deserved getaway, you can design your experience to match your style and budget. So if you're thinking about planning a visit to the Four Seasons Resort Maui at Wailea, here are a few insider tips to help you make the most of your stay. Book in advance. Whether it's the iconic Pineapple Suite or a more modest yet still luxurious room, these rooms book up fast, especially if you're aiming for that White Lotus experience. Explore the grounds. Don't limit yourself to just the room. Take time to wander through the resort's expansive gardens, enjoy a game of ping pong or cornhole by the pool, and even host your own Maui Lua in the garden area. Take advantage of the amenities. From water sports like canoe rides and snorkeling to relaxing spa treatments and gourmet dining, there's something for everyone. Be sure to try at least one of the unique experiences available here. Respect the local community. Remember that Maui is not only a playground for luxury seekers, but also a close-knit community that has faced its own challenges. Be a responsible tourist, support local businesses, and show respect to the island's natural beauty. What really makes the Four Seasons Maui at Wailea a standout isn't just its beautiful setting or luxurious amenities, it's also its legacy. This resort was one of the first luxury properties in Hawaii, and over the years it has earned a reputation not only for top-notch service, but also for being a place where memories are made. It's a destination that has attracted celebrities, honeymooners, and even TV shows like the White Lotus, which have all helped to cement its status as a true icon of luxury travel. Whether you're admiring the view from a private balcony in one of the oceanfront prime suites, or enjoying a quiet dinner at Ferraro as the sun sets over the Pacific, every moment at this resort feels like a scene from a movie. And while the drama on the White Lotus may have been heightened for the screen, the real-life experience here is all about embracing beauty, comfort, and a little bit of that unexpected magic that makes travel so special. That's it for today's tour of the iconic $10,000 a night resort from the White Lotus. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the details, the drama, and the sheer beauty of one of the world's most luxurious escapes. Stay tuned for more travel guides and behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite destinations. Aloha and happy travels!